Lesson 1. Synergetic Language Matrix and Parts of Speech. Everybody who learns a foreign language should know something about this language. Because if you don't know anything about parts of speech, parts of a sentence, and about a sentence structure, you will not be able to learn English on intermediate or higher levels. That is why it is very important to learn grammar and try to understand how to make correct sentences. In this lesson, we will learn about parts of speech and parts of a sentence. Then, we will learn about Synergetic Language Matrix and have a look at what color is ascribed to one or another part of speech. We will need colors to show a sentence structure and grammar elements so that you can understand without translation. And we will also use colors to practice speaking with color schemes. We will replace colors with words and get automatic speaking skills in such a way. The most important thing you should do now is to learn and remember parts of speech. Good luck in learning English. Yes, with beautiful English you can do it.
Exercise 1. Look and try to understand the difference between parts of speech and parts of a sentence. A sentence has parts of speech and parts of a sentence. Parts of speech. Demonstrative pronouns. Adjective. Auxiliary verb. Noun. Parts of a sentence. Subject. Verb. Object. There can be many words in a subject or object group. In an affirmative sentence, parts of a sentence must be always in the order shown above. Exercise 2. Look and try to learn and remember parts of speech names and their colors. Personal pronouns. Auxiliary verbs. Articles. Adjective. Prepositions. Adverbs. Conjunction. Nouns. Verbs. Pronouns. Question words. Endings. Negations. Exercise 3. Look and try to say parts of speech. Then look and check if your answer is correct. Personal pronouns. Auxiliary verbs. Articles. Adjective. Prepositions. Adverbs. Conjunction. Nouns. Verbs. Pronouns. Question words. Endings. Negations.
I hope this lesson was useful for you. Beautiful English exercises can sometimes be a bit difficult, and it is the reason why they are so effective. Easy exercises don't give good results. Bye for now. See you in the next lesson.